Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, simply pull down your toggles, extend the list, and on the third page, at least for me, I have the screen recording toggle, so I can just press on it. It gives me a very limited options right here. This is like all the options that we have in general. So we have record audio, you have microphone, media, or both. And obviously if it's off, then it records no audio, and show touches on screen. Then we can select start, which will automatically start a countdown from 3 and then begin recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some kind of app, it obviously will be recorded as well. Just a quick demonstration. Nothing here anyway. I guess that's good enough. It still wasn't up. From there, once you're done recording, pull down your notifications once more, tap to stop right here, and this will automatically save our screen recording to our gallery application. So let's open up Google folder and get bamboozled because there is no gallery in here. There we go, right over here. Now from here we can either click on the video recording right here, but you can also find it under folders. Should be nicely organized and looks like movies folder. When we click on it, obviously you can watch it. So there we go, that's the screen recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.